Hey, kitty. Yeah, her pregnant. Yeah, her egg. Little Susie. Kitty. What's doing?
You see that?
See what? I'm recording the kitties. Oh, God. I gotta try and stand back up again.
You keep missing them.
Well, I don't see nothing. It ain't happening out here. I ain't gonna get it.
It
Well, you got your car right here, so...
It keeps picking up.
Well, if it picks up, it'll work its way across the field.
It go across the middle and stop, and it'll come this side, and it'll go that side, and it'll stop. I've seen three of them standing there.
Looks pretty on this phone.
Yeah. All right, there's another one coming up in the middle of the field right now.
Well, I can't get down that fast with my foot like this, Mom. There's no way. So unless it comes this way, we ain't getting it. I don't see nothing.
He's running back. Let me look at the keys from the truck. Running back and forth.
Apparently we got a twister or something out in the field. She keeps telling me about. It's real windy out here, but it's warm. It feels good, but the skies are beautiful colors. The creepy tree. I just wanted to come outside and make a little video. Basically of nothing. Of our weather, I don't know. Whatever I can catch. And the kitties. And your pretty little girl. I wanted to bring her inside, but she won't use the potty. She keeps pooping and peeing everywhere, and she don't like being inside. She ripped out 3 of our screens to try and get back outside, so she's an outside kitty. She's been outside all her life, so she says, nope, you're not bringing me in. I want to have my children outside. Oh my God, sit back down. Mama moving her truck. So I can see whatever it is she's talking about. Some kind of the twister, sand twisters that happens out in the fields. Breeze is starting to get a little bit cool. So if it starts to happen, I hope it happens soon, because I ain't gonna be staying out here too much longer. Oh, there's Speckles. Hey, Speckles. Hey, baby. Come here, kitty. Come here, Specks.
Oh, there goes. Start.
Oh. Well, it's trying to build up.
Same spot, first one.
They say something about that. I forgot what the saying is about that.
The next one will come right beside it. See it starting to fall. And it disappeared. He's back into the ground. Like it's going in the ground. There it goes on the other, towards the left. It's coming up from the ground, and then it's going back in the ground.
Well, that's where the dirt is, on the ground.
Yeah, I know, but it's like it's going in spots. But straight up front is a big white spot where it's still on the ground. Now here comes one towards you.
There's another one coming over that way. Well, it's the wind.
And there's another one.
Yeah, you got sand twisters out there playing in the field. And another one down there.
That's strange. In different spots.
They used to be over here real bad, but now they're not over here. That's funny how the wind makes that stuff happen. Nature.
It's like it's going to disappear, then it'll start forming in another spot.
No, it's a little tiny one running across.
Yeah, then it'll pick them again. In a different spot.
They almost look like ghosts from a distance.
Yeah. There's another one towards the left there. Starting to pick up. See it? See it? It's running.
Yeah, they're running across the field. Maybe it's little sand ghosts playing in the field. Kitty, but I'm so close up I couldn't see her.
First we're starting back over into the corner of the trees again. Went all the way over
Yeah.
There it comes. There it comes. There it comes. Pick it up. Running back. Then another one back. That's strange.
And there's the moon up there. This phone is weird how it does its videos. There it is. Got covered by the clouds there for a minute. My mama gets so excited over things like that. Spots, where you at, kitty? Kitty, kitty. Space. Spots. Oh, there you are. Hey, girl. Hey, kitty, kitty. And don't y'all two start fighting now. There ain't no sense in that. Come here. That's your mama. That's your mama over there, Spots. You don't be messing with her like that. And why you crouched out like you're going to go after her? Y'all two better not. Y'all don't need to be fighting each other. Make no sense. You're both pregnant and need quitting. Now, behave yourselves. Yeah. Put them paws out. Yeah, make that loaf of bread. Tuck that tail in. Spots is not minding you. She's gone underneath the truck. There's that snow. There's that snow. There's that dust thing going on again. Well, I wish it would just make one big swirl. It's trying. Oh, it's disappearing. But there's the one right there at the end of it, right there. Oh, there goes more. Oh, that's just a... Oh, yeah, it's getting windy. It's getting so windy, it's blowing more dust up into our fields here. Heading that way. It says, wait for us. We're little sand and dust particles. We want to make a twister with you. But that one's still working itself right there in the middle. And more dust is coming to join in. Well, I think I just wanted to come out here and do a little video. Show the sunset, how it looks out here. It's beautiful. Colors are beautiful. And the colors I'm seeing on the phone is what the colors are in the sky. It's perfect. That's one good thing about this Google Pixel. It's awesome. About the colors. Oh, where'd the kid go? Oh, right there. All right, I'm going inside. I wish you would come inside, and you too, but you don't want to. Because you live up in there in that barn with all of our, used to be our stuff. Okay, there's one there. Two of them, little ones there, anticipated. More dust and stuff coming up in there. I wish a huge one would build up, a big, nice one. But don't come towards me or the house, please. We got enough dust. Y'all could hear the wind. The wind's blowing pretty hard out here. Woo, goodness. Oh, there goes the cardboard. Uh-oh, we're gonna have to fish that out of the field tomorrow. Yeah, the wind's getting really bad, y'all, so I'm gonna go on in, as y'all can see. Kitties, you need to get on under the house or in your barn. It's getting mighty bad out here now. Goodness. It was like 66 or 60, almost 70 today. Felt good, right warm. We turned the heaters off and everything, and now we got like a windstorms and dust storms coming through. Yes. Yeah, look at that dust. Ooh. I feel sorry for those people that is blowing that dust towards those houses over there on the other side of those trees. Good Lord. There's some white homes that ain't white no more. Alright, everybody. I just wanted to make, like I said, I just wanted to come out here and see how the weather was doing and show the sunset and the colors and the wind and the dust and the little twisters in the field and a couple of my little outside kitties. Oh, she's chasing a leaf. And say hi, and I hope everybody's enjoying the holidays. And then 2026 is coming real fast. I'm going to be 57 years old next year. So I'm going to take my butt and hobble wobble on back into the house. Alright, until the next time. See y'all later. Say bye-bye, kitty. Kitty. Hey, Susie. Oh, you going to go after those leaves? Get them, girl. Get those leaves. She's pregnant. I think she probably got about 3, maybe 4 more weeks. She's out here playing and enjoying herself, chasing weeds, leaves. Cats will be cats. And yeah, and Spots is right there underneath my mama's car. Alright, y'all. Bye. Love y'all. Please like, subscribe, and drop a comment. Bye.